So this year you're starting up with Chennai, right? And you're
We
moving
started
to
in
the
Hyderabad. Chennai is our location 2. Then we'll be moving to Lucknow, which is on Friday. Then we'll be going to Calcutta, which is on Tuesday. And then last leg is Mumbai, which is on Thursday. 14th.
For the 10 years, totally all India level?
All India.
How did they apply for this? How did they have to see this advertisement?
We do not advertise in any of the newspapers. We give out releases across India. So most of the publications carry a release saying that the applications are now open. You can apply for the scholarship. We give them a 1-month time ban to apply. At the end of almost when the 3rd week is on, we send out a release saying this is the last week for application. Do send in your entries faster. This one month is when they can apply, go on and really send in their entries.
How did they know that you sent that advertisement?
It's in all papers.
Okay.
We go pan-India and we go to the most smallest of the newspapers and we give out the reviews.
Month? What is a month?
We normally do it in August and September.
Oh, August, September.
And it is now also open for online. So they just have to go on fairandlovely.com and they can apply.
Okay. Fairandlovely.com.
So are you planning to start for the school education also in future?
We believe completely that children really should not be made, forced into a competitive space. Especially at the school level. Once they finish their schooling is when they actually need to compete to, get to the career point where they want to be. So really right now we do not have any plans for school education.
Sir, if they complete a +2 and get the good marks, no? You just allow them to join in that medical university, you will better one?
Yeah, see the selection part is entirely different for MBBS course.
Yeah.
Here, once they entered in a college and they have the fee structure, and when the advertisement came, they applied for it. And we are here to just the candidates who are in the poor socio-economic status, we recommend for the scholarships. We are not here to select the MBBS course. I think it comes only after joining in a college.
+2 after
It's the same thing for medical seat also.
medical.
What seat? 1 lakh?
For medical seat also it's the same amount that you are.
Yeah, maximum 1 lakh. Maximum 1 lakh. That is, they got other sources also. The Fair and Lovely.
I seriously have a doubt as a general, not a
Fair and Lovely
surprise.
gives 1 lakh.
Is there a seat available for 1 lakh for the medical?
No, it's not for a seat. It is for the
for
education, that's
For
what.
example, scholarship.
It is to do the course which they have joined.
Correct.
Fair and Lovely is helping them. It
Oh,
is
that's
not
only
for
a
seeking,
partly contribution.
not for seeking admission.
Okay.
For those who have already admitted, paid their fees, enrolled as a student, for them they are giving them financial assistance.
Okay, partly they help.
Books, they may not be able to buy books, very costly books. This money will help.
But they have different criteria there, starting from tuition fees, their travel, conveyance,
Okay,
their
they
books.
have a breakup
They
for
have a
that.
breakup, and they fill it up. Whatever is eligible to them, but because some of the private medical college students, they have a course fee structure as 19 lakhs for the
Right.
entire course,
Yeah.
which they may not be able to fill up.
Right.
So whatever is eligible
Right.
amount given by them, they'll be able to give.
They have to take other funding source also.
Right.
In many of the cases, except for the medical course, other engineering courses and all, it comes down within 1 lakh. So basically this amount covers a whole fees for 1 lakh.
Right, for other
And
thing,
even
graduations
otherwise,
are
this is
not
just an extra help which they are entering. They are actually not
yeah,
trying
and
to pay the whole
1,500
fees.
girls, it's a big amount.
Yeah.
Probably for one candidate, it might not.
Yeah.
Compared to the fees, it might be.
Yeah, in
but
many
partly they're
cases,
helping.
in many cases, the total fee structure is only 40,000.
Right.
And
So,
all
right.
the
Where the whole
1,000
amount is getting credited to them.
all the 1,500 will not get it 1 lakh. We are not recommending for all the girls 1 lakh.
Oh.
For some we'll recommend 60. For some,
Oh, there is a criteria which you will decide.
Yes.
no,
Okay, okay.
their requirement, they
that's
ask
what,
for
based on the course
40,000.
they have
If
taken.
we feel they are eligible for 40,000, we recommend their 40,000.
Like the maximum ceiling is up to 1
1
lakh.
lakh.
Okay.
So what we can do is, like, for example, if the student is already paying around 40,000 and maybe there are some other requirements, some other expenses which cannot be seen, we can even extend the limit from 40 to 50,000 based on their requirement. But definitely it will not be going beyond 1 lakh.
Okay.
So the maximum ceiling is 1 lakh. We can extend to whatever their requirement is, provided all the details are clear and there are no doubts about their requirement and the background, financial background, and all those things. Once it is being verified, we can decide, and we can just recommend their amount, and Fair and Lovely decides as to how many people they want to give and the exact amount that they want to give.
Renewal says alternate years, not every year.
Yeah.
It's every year. It's every year. You can renew every year.
But the same person cannot apply every year.
You can apply
They,
only once.
they
You
can,
can renew
till
every
they
year.
finish their course, they can.
So that can be. So it's actually a major help,
Renewal
Right,
also
yeah.
you have get the hard drive or CPT.
But even MBBS, the government colleges they charge quite less.
Yeah.
So they can afford within this amount.
Yeah.
So they can continue. And they are usually very bright students. So it will be very helpful for them.
How many renewals do you get in a year?
Mostly everyone who's got the scholarship apply for renewal. So the hit rate is almost 98%.
Okay. So there again some evaluation will happen or just
We
like a
just have to
full
submit the
process?
certificates. That's okay.
Because all the girls who are coming here are really in need of this money.
Right,
It's
yeah.
not that they are just coming here to take the money.
And
go. It's not
academically also they are very good. Those who they have brought in the applications, they have scored more than 95% in their 10th as well as in their 12th. Which means definitely they will do good in their
Correct.
degree courses also.
And the level of commitment they are having is also, is very important when it
Yeah.
comes to, because it's not about the money, it's about to whom you're giving.
Correct. It should have a value.
Yeah,
in
it should
its
have,
value.
that money should be valued. So
Yeah.
that's what I'm talking.
And when we recommend them also, after doing the course that they will be returning something to the society, they will definitely reach their goal. Just by becoming a doctor, they would have joined the course. Maybe the parents are forced them. So we check them, when we talk to them, we come to know that they are really interested in the course. They will complete the course and they will return something to the society.
It's a kind of counseling also that you do at that part. Thank you.
Any more questions?
And and
You followed
Cochin College.
Cochin College?
About 6 kilometers.
Okay, so how do you commute?
Bus.
Okay. So you put the travel conveyance as 1,000.
Yeah.
You've written private tuition 5,000. What is this private tuition?
I am going tuition for statistics, quantitative techniques in business research, and cooperative law.
That is not taught as part of your
college?
Yeah, it's a subject.
It is a subject, but
I need extra tuition, extra guidance. So,
All of them have included private tuition.
that's it.
because we didn't get proper guidance in that subjects.
In the college, is it? But is this a government college?
Yeah.
You've gotten the merit.
That's it. Younger brothers, I would like to give a better education
Then
to
you
them.
should reverse it. It will be first your family,
Yeah.
then after your family you go to society.
Yeah, I would like to give better education to my brothers because my father is a head worker. He has some limit to give financial assistance to us. Then I will serve the society by giving financial assistance to poor
So leave
children.
it there. First you have to be financially stable to assist anybody else.
Yeah.
Once you finish with your studies,
Yeah.
what do you actually plan to do? Because you have to either join somebody and work, or you have to set up your own place. Which is it?
I would like to set up my own place.
Where in Kerala?
Yeah.
What about marriage?
I'm not thinking about that.
But your
but will
parents
be-
will think
your
about it.
Yeah,
parents will
parents, but they are more concentrating on studies. They are giving more encouragement and assistance to me.
And they want you to work. No, it's not you alone. What about them? Do
Yeah,
they want you to work?
They are okay too.
But you want to do that. You want to work.
You know that with marriage comes a lot of responsibility, you know?
Yeah.
And